and welcome back to my channel. I am currently a cosmetology student, and on this channel I like to do nails, makeup, and skincare, and I love to occasionally review small businesses. Today I will be showing you how to get the perfect fall berry lips. Before we get into it, I just want to tell you guys where I got all of these products. The pink lip scrub at the bottom was from a company called Spot Beauty. I actually won it in a giveaway, which is so cool. And then the lip balm that has the name Sport on it is actually from my hometown. It's from a store called Crimson Ridge. My mom picked it up one day for me. She said they were giving it away for free, so she picked me up one and she gave it to me. It's one of my favorite lip balms I like to use. And then obviously my e.l.f. concealer, you can find that at Walgreens, Walmart, Target, really anywhere. And then my lip pencil from NYX. I think you can find that at Ulta, maybe Target. I'm pretty sure you can find that at Target. And then obviously my MAC lipstick, you can find it at MAC. And then actually, I'm not 100% sure where I got the brush. I was actually gifted it, but it says BDHG on it, so if that helps anyone. But this is just a basic foundation brush that I like to use. And then obviously it's out of frame, but my beauty blender, you can see it in the corner there a little bit, that I will be using today. Let's jump right into the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is put this lip scrub all over my lips. It's a moisturizing lip scrub, so it's not going to do anything too harsh to my lips. The next thing that I do is use lip balm to make sure that my lips are nice and moisturized. The day I was filming, my lips happened to be very chipped, so this lip balm helped me out a lot. Then of course you have to let the lip balm set for a little bit. The next thing that I do is put concealer on my lips. When I use my concealer before I use the lipstick, I find that the color is more vibrant and it helps the lipstick stay on for a lot longer. The next step is lip liner. It's really good to be careful not to overline your lips too much. You don't want to look crazy. I usually slightly overline my lip liner, but not too much to the point that it's so obvious. I usually like to stay at my natural shape. Now it's finally time for the lipstick. At the beginning of the video, I forgot to mention the shade name. This lipstick is a Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Burning Love. When applying lipstick, I follow the way that I applied my lip liner. And here's the final lip look. This is one of my favorite lipsticks to wear in the fall. It just reminds me of fall and I just love wearing it. This shot is from outside. I like to show you what the lipstick looks like on outside. Even though my lips are very chapped, the lipstick still turned out pretty good. So that is my video. I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that. Make sure you give this video a like up and have a great rest of your day or evening. And thank you for watching.